Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add a contact form in ClickFunnels website. Here you can see I have logged in into ClickFunnels, then click here. Now you can see these are different pages. So I want to open one page, this one. Click on edit page, then scroll down. Here we need to add a new section. Click here, green button, then select one of the box, then after that click here to add a new row. Here you can add 1 column, 2 column, 3 column row. So I want to add 2 columns, then scroll down. So now we need to add the element. Here you can see this one, form element. So first of all we need to add the input. Okay, this one by default email selected, then click on settings. Now here you can select different type of input fields. For example, let me select this one, full name, and then we need to change this one, placeholder text. Here you can go and type your name. After that we need to add one more field, that is email. So if you want to add more fields, just you can again go here, simply you can add the text area, checkbox and anything. For example, I want to add this one, and here I can change the placeholder text, write message. Fields are added. Now we need to add the button. So just we can go here and click on plus element, then form, then select the button. Now you can align this button left side, right side and anywhere. Here you can go and select this one. Now you can change the button text, for example submit. Then you can add the subtext. Here you can change the font size. The one of the most important thing is set action. Here you can add the website link where you want to redirect. You can select this one, submit. These are the different options that you can select one by one. After that click here, save button, then preview. Scroll down. Here you can see form is added in ClickFunnels website.